Okay, so now we're going to talk a minute about gathering images for your website. I love using my own images. I have a lot of images. You know, the phones now have good cameras, you take good images. Make sure that if you're doing that, you have some images. Look for images that are horizontal and long, because most websites are screened edge to edge now. It's a design aspect, so if you have a lot of images that are vertical and you're taking all your images in your phone this way rather than this way, you're going to have a lot of vertical images. Make sure you take some that are horizontal as well. Also, going to some of the sites for free images. There are some amazing resources now to get stock photo and beautiful imagery that's absolutely free. Here's what I recommend you do. I'm going to put a few of the resources in. My two favorite at this time are Unsplash.com and Pixabay. Pixabay, I'm pretty sure it's called Pixabay.com. I'll put the links in the thing. These are both free. You do not have to spend a penny to download these photos. What they offer is a way to copy a link and give the photographer credit, which is a really nice thing to do if you can and have the space and can add that into your planning. The other thing is, when you go to these sites, they do have what's it called? A policy. And they literally spell out, you are allowed to use these images on your website for commercial for free for life, blah, 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 something like that. Go find it, read it, understand it, and download it. Save it. Put it in a file somewhere so you have proof that you're allowed to use these images. It's not like things are going to change, but that's just being smart business. Okay, so go and find some images that help you tell your story. You're going to want some images that are larger or horizontal, and you'll want some that are vertical too. But go look, do your searching. It's a lot of fun. Literally, you can spend hours and hours and hours and hours. I have done it before. So go ahead and check those out and find the images that you want from your own photo album and get those all ready. I recommend you create a file on your desktop. When you save an image, save as. Make sure the name is something that makes sense to you so you'll find it easily, so that it's easy for you to understand what it is and what it's for. And then you take the name of that file and you put it in your worksheet for the page. So if you're working on the home page, you're going to put the file in that line there for media, for images. Okay, next video coming up, we're going to talk about the size of images and uploading them to your website.